Golly, what's a donkey's favorite tool? I don't know. What is a donkey's favorite tool? A wheelbarrow. And I might need one to help Dad clean out the garage. Dad and Me and the Garage. Created by Evy Escapes. I love my dad. Dad loves tools. Our garage is full of them. I love it when we do projects together. Dad keeps the very first toolbox he built with Grandpa when Dad was little. Grandpa taught Dad about tools. Now Dad is teaching me. Dad used the hammer Grandpa gave him to build my crib when I was a baby. Dad teaches me how tools work and why they are special. Fixing things together is my favorite time. Sometimes the garage feels very full. I wish we had more space so we could do more projects together. My favorite days are when we fix things together, like the day we fixed the kitchen sink. That was a special day. One day, Dad lost the special hammer Grandpa gave him. Dad looked worried. Maybe he thought it was gone forever. I told Dad, "We'll find it together." That was the day Dad decided we should try to make space in the garage. I was excited to help. Dad said we would start slow, filling just one box. The next day, we worked together and got more boxes. Some things went in the donate box, some went in the trash, and some things Dad said we could keep. Some days were harder than others. I could see it was hard for Dad to let some things go. Dad told me it was not my job to fix it. Soon the donate boxes and the throwaway boxes were full and ready to go. We could see the garage floor again. I had forgotten what it looked like. There was so much space, and we were about to find something else. Tucked in the back of one dusty box was Grandpa's hammer.
I think I might have more tools than I need,
Dad said. We kept the tools Dad used the most. The rest went into the donate box. Now there was space for new ideas and new memories. And my favorite part was building them together. Thanks for reading with me today. See you next time. Bye.